the train, checking down the track. Let's learn colors front to back. Red train, here it comes. Red like apples and red plums. Blue train rolling through. Blue like sky and oceans too. Yellow train, so bright and sweet. Yellow like the sun we meet. Green train full of cheer. Green like grass and frogs are near. Orange train goes up and down like pumpkins big and hats on clowns. Purple train, so smooth and slow like grapes and flowers that grow. Pink train, soft and light like cotton candy, what a sight. Rainbow train is last to go with all the colors in a row. Choo 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 choo, hear it say, let's ride the color train today.